document. Just wait. Yes, here are some examples. Her heart is like gold. Okay. The world is like a stage. He eats like a pig. Okay. You are like a rock. Your eyes are like sunshine. Okay. Poor as dirt. So these are some examples. So what do you notice, beta, in this, just in these examples? Just listen, just read the examples very carefully and just tell me that what are you, noticing in these examples? What is special in these examples? Something common is there. Her heart is like gold. The world is like a stage. He eats like a pig. First of all, we'll talk about just three examples, okay? So, yes, Bhavya, what have you noticed, beta?
मैम मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि ये नाउन की बता रहा है कि नाउन कैसा है, जैसे हर्ट गोल्ड की तरह, वर्ल्ड स्टेज की
Heart
तरह.
gold ki tarah. Okay, the world is like a stage. So basically, what we are doing here. Okay, Suhana, what do you think, beta?
मैम स्माइलीज.
Similes. Okay, fine.
सिमिलीज.
Yes. Suhana, do you want to add something?
Ma'am, we are comparing a noun with another noun.
Yes, well done. Exactly. So we are comparing one thing to another thing. Okay. So here, heart is just being compared to gold. Okay. Heart and gold are compared. World is being compared to stage. Okay. He eats. His eating habits are just compared to pig's habits. Okay. And then you are like a rock. So you is being compared by rock. Okay. You are being compared by rock. Your eyes are like sunshine. So these are the similes. Okay. Simile. Now you can just note down the definition. If it's not there, if it is there, then no need to note down. And don't do this topic in your grammar, in your fair notebook, just on your books only. Okay. So please open similes, page number 169. Grammar book, page 169. What you have to do, you just have to do it on books. Okay. No need to do it in rough in fair notebook. So similes, there is no proper definition but are given here. So you can just, what you can do, there is one box na similes, with similes, so you can write the meaning there. A simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. You can just quickly note down the definition of simile and you can just write on book only. Okay. So simile is the word that is used to compare two things using the words. Only two words are there, beta. One is like, he is like a rock, or as. Okay. He is like a rock or he is as strong as rock. So you can use the word as or you can use the word like. Only two words are there in similes. So you can quickly note down the definition and these examples also. As sweet as pie. So as you know that with a apple pie, choco pie, so these are the very sweet things. So you can compare someone with that. Suppose someone speaks so sweetly, then you can say that your sister is as sweet as a pie. Okay. And colorful like crayon. My life is as colorful as crayons. Okay, my life is colorful like crayons. Okay, so you can just note down the examples also and the definition also. A simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. So I'm giving you 1 minute, note down the definition, then we'll move forward. Everyone, please open your grammar book, page 169. I repeat. So I'm moving to now beta part A. Now it's your turn to, solve exercise A. I'll give you, how much time should I give you? I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, just complete the exercise A. Try to complete it. Okay, if you just can, solve. I think here are 10 similes. So try to do all. Okay, if you just feel that you have just doubt in anything, then you can leave that one only. Otherwise, you can just solve it. So this is your exercise first, page 169. Here you have to match the simile with the meaning, with the, other part. Now I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Quickly do that, Peter. The meaning of crafty is clever. As clever as or as crafty as, they are the same things. You can just do numbering here, like I am doing here. Now I'm waiting for you. I'll give you 1 minute. Quickly do this exercise. Okay, with the time up now. So let's begin. We'll discuss. Okay, just give me 1 minute. So I'm starting with the first child, Pavandeep Singh. Pavandeep, please tell me the first answer. Beta. As blind as?
A bat.
As blind as a bat. Okay, correct answer. So as blind as bat, where is it? Yes, here. You can write one here. Okay, so next one is as sick as. Janisha. Yes, Janisha.
As sick as a dog.
Okay, well done. So as sick as dog. So where is it? Okay, here. Number 2. Next one is Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya, your turn. As strong as.
As strong as an ox.
Yes, an ox. Okay, well done. So ox is a very strong creature, so you can easily compare someone with ox if someone is strong. Okay, next one is, let me find out who's there. Bani. Yes, Mani, please unmute and tell me as busy as.
Life.
As busy as life. There are some people, beta, who just stay free or remain, free throughout their life. So as busy as someone,
Is a B.
yes, B. Someone who works a lot, that is B. So B works so hard, okay? B never takes rest. Next is just wait. Okay, next is as tall as. Let me find out who's there after Bani. Suhana. After that, Prerna. Yes, Suhana.
Ma'am, as tall as a giant.
Yes, as tall as a giant. Giant is a huge creature, okay, and it's very tall. So, as tall as a giant. Well done. Next is Prerna. Yes, Prerna. Number six, beta, as clever as or as crafty as. Unmute yourself.
Bat.
Beta, bat we have already done. Number one, as blind as bat. I'm asking as crafty as. Crafty means clever. So find out beta who's clever out of these nouns. We have just heard so many stories also. There is one animal which is very
Fox.
clever. Yes, fox. So number six is fox. So everyone you can write here number six. So Prerna, you can mute yourself. Next one is Rishita. Yes, Rishita. Rishita, number seven, beta, as black as.
Black as
As black as coal. Yes, coal is black. Fine. Next one, let me mute all the students. After Rishita, it's Satvik. After that, Nitya. Yes, Satvik, number eight, beta, as warm as.
wool,
Yes, wool. Correct. Number eight is wool. Okay. And Nitya. Nitya, please tell me, beta. As steady as.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of study?
Something which is fixed, beta. Something which is fixed and does not shake.
A rock.
Yes, a rock is fixed, it's steady. Okay, fine. So number nine is rock, and obviously, what is left, Krishna? As large
Yes, ma'am.
as large as.
Ma'am, as large as life.
Okay, fine. So I hope you have learned this also, beta, side by side. Just when I teach you, try to learn the things, okay, with me, okay, on the same day, so that you just need to revise during the exams. So as blind as bat, we know that bat is blind, so we can compare someone with bat, okay. As sick as a dog, as strong as number three ox, as busy as a bee, as tall as a giant, okay, as crafty as a fox. Next one is wait. Okay. Next is as black as coal, as warm as wool, as steady. Steady means fixed. You can underline this word and write down fixed. Okay. So obviously rock is fixed one. We cannot shake the rock with our efforts. And as large as life. And after the end of the, these exercise, I will just ask you questions and I will take your quick test if we'll get time. Okay. So next one is exercise number, next one beta, B exercise page 170. Again, you have to write down the similes, some common similes. You can write your own also, but here you have to write the common one, which all the people use. So as old as you can write anything, but here you have to write the common similes, okay, which are standard similes, which are used by so many people. So try to write the answers if you know. If you don't know, it's okay. You will learn something new today. Okay. So how much time should I give you? I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay. So quickly do this. Yes, beta, 1 minute is left. So let's begin now. Let me erase this and we'll start now. Okay, my first question is, this bungalow is as old as dash. So let me start with Janisha. Yes, Janisha, what have you written, beta? The bungalow is as old as dash.
Ma'am, the hills.
Yes, the hills. Correct answer. So generally, beta, hills are very old. So it takes 100 of years to make even a one hill. So you can simply write that the bungalow is as old as a hill or the hills. Both are correct. Okay, a hill or the hills. Well done, Janisha. Next is Neha's gown is as white as. So try to now think that which thing is so white, beta. It's a natural thing we can see outside in winter season. So such a big hint I'm giving you. So next one on the screen in the
Ma'am,
line is
snow.
Bhavya. Okay, snow. Well done. So snow. Some people write cotton also. That is also kind of correct answer. So cotton or snow both are correct. So next one is Satvik. Satvik number 3, beta. Come fast. You are as slow as dash. So which animal is very slow? Satvik, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, snail.
Snail. Well done. Snail or tortoise, both are correct, beta. Okay. So you can write a snail or a tortoise. Both the animals are slow. So Lavneet dash like a fish. Let me find out who's raising hand. After Satvik, it's Nitya. After that, Pavandeep, Krishna, Kanishk. Yes, Nitya. Unmute yourself and tell me the number fourth answer, beta. Nitya, unmute first, beta. Okay, I'm asking now Pavandeep. I don't have much time. Yes, Pavandeep.
Swim.
Swims. Okay. Lavneet is a one subject. Okay, singular subject. So you have to write swims. Okay. Lavneet swims like a fish. Correct answer. Swims like a fish. Next one is Krishna. Krishna number 5, beta. The answer to this puzzle
Yes,
is
ma'am.
as dash as
Yes, ma'am.
ABC. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the answer to this puzzle is as simple as ABC.
Okay, as simple or as easy. Both are correct, beta. Simple or easy. Well done. So answer of this question is as easy as ABC or as simple as ABC. Okay, next one is Kanishk. Kanishk number 6, beta. Rana Pratap was as brave as Dash. Which animal is so brave? So I think he has lowered his hand. It's okay. Next is Pavandeep got turn. Prerna, after that Suhana. Yes, Prerna.
As brave as lion.
Okay, as brave as a lion. Okay, well done. So let me write lion. Yes, Suhana, next one. Don't worry about the dog. He is as dash as a lamb.
Ma'am, gentle as a lamb.
Yes, gentle. Whenever someone, comes to our house and we are having dog and they, get scared of the dog, and generally we say that, no, 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 he will not harm you. He is as gentle as a lamb. He's a very gentle dog. Okay, it's a very gentle dog. So lamb is so gentle. It's soft. Okay, it doesn't harm anyone. So you can write gentle. Okay, well done. Next one is Chinmay. Chinmay, please unmute and tell me number 8. The tablecloth is as dash as a feather. Chinmay, unmute yourself. No? Okay, Rishita, you can unmute Twitter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Twitter.
The cloth is as soft as a feather.
Okay, soft is also correct and light is also correct because feather is better lightweighted. It doesn't have much weight. Okay, it's very light in weight. So you can write both as light is the most appropriate one, but you can write soft also because feather is soft also. Yes, well done. So next one is number 9. Let me find out Rishita Bani. Okay, Bani, unmute yourself. The car goes as dash as a rocket.
As fast as a rocket.
Yes, as fast as a rocket. So number 10. So everyone please quickly note down the answers. I have to erase the answers before moving to number 10.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Krishna?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please, you can ask your doubt.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम जो इधर मैम मैम स्विम्स लिखा है मतलब डैश लाइक अ फिश मैम उस पे स्विम्स की जगह कुछ और आ सकता है
बेटा जनरली जो फिश होती है इट स्विम्स nicely. Otherwise what can be the quality of fish beta according to you? I think swimming is the best quality of the fish. All the time it swims, no? So swims is the most appropriate answer. Is there anything that is in your mind, beta?
नो मैम
Okay, then beta
मैम
swim.
यस मैम यस
Yes, please.
मैम जो सेकंड वाला मैम नेहा गाउन से इज एज वाइट एज मैम क्लाउड लिख सकते हैं
Cloud beta, sometimes black clouds are also there. You can write, but I think most appropriate one is snow because you never can see snow in black color maybe. So snow is always white, right? So I haven't seen snow in black color or green color, but we can see cloud in different colors like off-white colors and black color, gray color. So I think snow is the most appropriate answer, and cotton is also right, beta. Cotton is also always white, natural cotton. So I think we color the cotton, but otherwise naturally it grows white. So you can write cotton also. So number 10, everyone, I'm just going to erase the answers. Let me do that. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is Salim's grandfather is as wise as dash. So there is one creature, one animal which is very wise. You have just heard some stories also. So you can tell me. So Nishchay Joshi. Yes, Nishchay. Beta, unmute first and then tell me answer if you know. Yes, beta.
Salim's grandfather is as wise as wool.
As wise as wool, beta. Wool is
Ma'am,
warm.
fox.
Fox is clever. Okay, fox is clever. Wise
Ma'am,
is
or owl.
yes, owl.
Ma'am, wool.
Okay. Beta, wolf is I don't think so. It's wise. Okay, so you can write owl beta. That is correct. I think so. Okay. And fox is clever. Wise is someone who uses its intelligence in a nice way. Okay. Fox is very cunning and clever. It always makes tricks to deceive someone. But wise is the person who always gives nice advice. Okay. And he is a very nice person basically. So you can write nice owl. Okay, let me write. Okay, you can write yourself an owl. So whenever you want to compare a wise man with someone, you can always compare with an owl. Okay, so my teacher is as wise as an owl. So okay. Now next one is C part. C part. Here you have to let me ask Bhavya. I think she is raising hand. Is there any doubt, beta? You want to ask?
Yes, ma'am. जो वो वाला सेंटेंस था राणा प्रताप was as brave as, तो मैम उसमें soldier लिख सकते हैं?
Yes, you can write. Soldier is also
Okay,
correct.
Okay, ma'am.
So everyone now move to exercise C. Here you have to underline the similes. Okay. And just yes. So read the poem below and mark the similes used in it. It's a very easy task. You have just 30 seconds to do so. Just remember, you have to find out the word like or as, nothing else. You can underline the things, and I'm coming to you just in 30 seconds. A friend is like a mystery still to be discovered, wanting to be figured out. A friend is like a book, always very clever, waiting to be read. So there are two similes. You have to find out. Yes, Nitya, have you done that? Nitya, unmute yourself. No? Yes. Yes, Peter, tell me the simile which is used here.
And is like a mystery.
Okay, Rishita, you can tell me in the first stanza, which is the simile.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like a mystery.
Yes, like a mystery. And in the second one,
Ma'am, like a book.
yes. So Nitya, in simile, you have to look out the word like or as. Okay, I told you in the very beginning, like or as. So there is no word like as here, so you can write like. Yes, beta, who's asking?
मैम ऋषिता हूँ
Yes, beta.
मैम मैंने ना आपसे पूछना था कि जो पिछली वाली हमने एक्सरसाइज करी थी उसमें वो जो एक था ना नेहास गाउन इज एज वाइट एज तो उसमें हम मिल्क भी लिख सकते हैं
Milk, yes, beta, you can write milk. You can write.
ओके
But still, I feel, I know so many people use milk, but I feel that milk is not pure white. It's, I think, little bit off-white in color. But yes, you can use it. It's a standard simile. So many people use this. Okay. So his teeth, are as white as milk. So many people use this simile. So yes, you can use. Okay. So now I'm moving to the last part. Write 5 sentences of your own containing similes. So it's a, I think, nice task. What you have to do, you can make your own sentences using similes, but don't make sentence. Okay, here they have written 5 sentences. You can make just two sentences because we are not having much time. You can make 2 sentences, but don't make sentences like he is as black as coal. No, you have to write a longer sentence. Okay. So my sister is wearing a black dress. She is looking as black as coal. So you have to justify that thing also. Make a longer sentence. Don't make a sentence, my friend is like a rock, my friend is like an owl. No. Make a longer sentence and 2 sentences only. Okay, 1 sentence. Each student will give me 1 sentence. So we have 3-4 minutes left. So quickly tell me, Vita. You have 30 seconds. Quickly make 1 sentence. It should not be simple. Side by side, raise your hands if you have done so. Okay, I think I should start now. We have just 2 minutes. Quickly give me one sentence. Yes, Janisha, please start with it.
Yes, ma'am. Mohan can see everything, but he is as blind as a bat.
Okay, Mohan cannot see even a single thing. Okay, he's as blind as a bat. Okay, this is appropriate. Well done. Next is Prerna. Yes, Prerna. Your sentence. Prerna, unmute quickly, beta. Yes, we don't have much time. Yes, beta.
This ice cream is as cold as ice.
Okay, I cannot eat this ice cream as it's as cold as ice. Okay, well done. So next one is Krishna. Yes, Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, quickly, beta. Tell me your sentence.
Ma'am, I have a doubt also.
Okay, you can ask quickly.
मैम जो मैम बी पार्ट का मैम 10th था मैम 10th क्वेश्चन था मैम, उसमें मैम ये लिख सकते हैं, स्लिम्स ग्रैंडफादर इज एज वाइज एज अ बीरबल।
As wise as Birbal. Okay, you can write better. Don't write a Birbal, only Birbal. Okay, you can write. You can write. So, do you want to speak a
Ma'am.
sentence?
Yes मैम।
Yes, do it better.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम। मैम 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 Riya's gowns is as white as cotton because it is made with natural cotton of plant.
Okay, okay, fine, well done. Yes, Bhavya.
मैम मैं 2 बोल दूं?
हाँ जी बेटा, quickly. We don't have time,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
quickly. Yes.
Lisa is as clever as Fox and always wins the quiz competition brilliantly. Raghav is as slow as tortoise because he completes his homework so slowly that he is always warned by his parents and teachers.
Okay, well done, beta. Well done. So, as slow as tortoise, and second one.
As clever as Fox.
Okay, 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 fine. So next is Kanishk. Well done, Bhavya. Next is Kanishk, beta. Quickly speak up your sentence. If you can listen to me. Yes, Kanishk. No, Rishita?
Yes, ma'am. Rohan and Mohan fought like cats and dogs.
Okay, fine. Well done. Okay. They fought like cats and dogs. It rained like cats and dogs. Okay, next is Harshia. Harshia, yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Rohan goes to gym. He is as strong as an ox.
Okay, fine. His muscles are as strong as ox muscle. Okay, fine. Well done. Next is Pavandeep. Can you hear me, Pavandeep?
Yes ma'am।
Yes, Mishti, quickly, beta, we don't have time. Quickly
Ma'am,
speak up.
he is as brave as a lion. He is as
Ma'am.
funny as a monkey.
Okay,
मैम
fine.
बी पार्ट का जो सा 10 था, स्लिम ग्रैंडफादर इज एज वाइज एज अ कंप्यूटर लिख सकते हैं।
Huh? He's as
A
wise
commu-
as